everyone, today in this video we are going to have a detailed discussion regarding ACCA course. Many candidates ask us a lot of queries regarding this course, such as what will be job opportunities and scope after pursuing this course, how much salary they will get, how much time it will consume, and what will be approximate cost to pursue this course. So in this video I will be giving you detailed information regarding said doubts. ACCA stands for Association of Chartered Certified Accountant. It is a globally recognized course which gives us an opportunity to enhance our career worldwide. This course is often pursued by individuals who are seeking their career goals either as a chartered accountants or as financial professionals. We can pursue ACCA right after doing 12th. This course is accepted in 180 plus nations. Now while talking about its curriculum, then it is one of the most flexible and adaptable course to pursue because we can give our examination in all 365 days as per our convenience, and when we are fully confident on ourselves that now we are well prepared to give exam. The ACCA qualification is structured in three main components such as knowledge, skill and professional. In knowledge, it includes fundamental principle of accounting in business such as management accounting and financial accounting. In skills, we understand application of accounting techniques in real world scenario. In final stage, which is known as professional, it includes strategic thinking and leadership skills. It covers topics like taxation, audit, business analysis and financial management. Now let's talk about examination pattern of this exam. So in this exam we have 13 papers in all to clear. Our first and second level paper, which are skill and knowledge based paper, are conducted through computer and are very flexible for the examination throughout year. But our third level, which is professional level, is conducted via paper and we have a specific time period to give this exam. Now let's talk about job opportunities after pursuing this course. After pursuing ACCA course, we have wide range of job opportunities in India as well as overseas in field of accounting, finance and business management. There are wide range of industries and sector who have high demand for ACCA professionals in their business. ACCA professionals are in demand in every type of companies, either it's accounting firm, consulting firms, it IT and technology companies, MNCs, or its manufacturing based industry. They all have demand for ACCA professionals to handle their business management, either their accounting related things or their finance operations. Now let's talk about one of the most asked questions. What will be salary after pursuing this course? The salary is dependent on lots of factors such as your job profile, your level of experience, your location and your company. Generally, ACCA members command high salary because of their expertise, skill and global recognition. As a fresher, generally we get 4 lakhs to 12 lakh per annum. But if we have 5+ year experience, then a salary can range from 12 lakhs per annum to 30 lakhs per annum depending on location, our company and interview. Now in end, we will talk about scope after doing this course. As we all know, ACCA is globally recognized course. And once we complete this, we have immense job opportunities worldwide. This course gives us a solid foundation to build our career specifically in field of accounting and finance. So we are ending our video here. I hope I was able to clear your every queries regarding this course. But if you have any further queries, you can contact us at below mentioned details. We will be happy to address your every queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn.